My beloved, come close to me and rest. I see you, I know you, and I love you with an everlasting love. You are not alone, and you have never been forgotten. I speak healing over you now. To every place of sickness, pain, and weakness, I say, be whole. Let my life flow through your body, your mind, and your heart. Where fear has let peace take its place. Where strength has lived was lost, let renewal. By my love and by my victory, I restore you. I restore what has been broken and what has been taken from you. I redeem lost time, lost joy, and lost hope. What the enemy tried to use to harm you, I now turn for your good. You will rise again. You will rejoice again. You will walk forward with purpose. I bless you with provision and prosperity. May the work of your hands flourish. May the wide your decisions and favor open doors. You will not live in fear of lack, for I am your shepherd, and I provide for you. I give you victory over the enemy. Every lie spoken against you is silenced. Every chain is broken by my authority. Stand firm, for I am with you, and no power is greater than my spirit within you. Receive my peace now, a peace that steadies your heart and quiets your mind. Let worry fall away and rest settle deep within you. I pour my grace upon you, grace to endure, grace to forgive, grace to love. Walk in my love, live in unity, kindness, and humility. Let my favor surround you and my joy strengthen you. Go forward without fear, for I am with you always. My peace I give you, my love upon you. Remain in me and remain Amen.